Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Travel with Thara. Today, we are embarking on a journey to discover the enchanting beauty of Nuwara Eliya, nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka's picturesque hill country. Transition to Nuwara Eliya. Known as Little England, Nuwara Eliya is a charming town surrounded by rolling hills, tea plantations, and a cool climate that sets it apart from the rest of Sri Lanka. Tea plantations. One of the highlights of Nuwara Eliya is its vast tea estates. The region is famous for producing some of the finest Ceylon tea. Take a stroll through the lush plantations, interact with the skilled tea pickers, and immerse yourself in the rich aroma of freshly brewed tea. Victoria Park. For a more relaxed experience, head to Victoria Park. This beautifully landscaped garden is perfect for a leisurely walk, a family picnic, or simply enjoying the vibrant flowers and exotic bird species. Horton Plains National Park. If you're an adventure enthusiast, a visit to Horton Plains National Park is a must. Hike through scenic trails to reach the breathtaking World's End viewpoint, where you can witness a stunning panoramic view of the surrounding landscapes. Golf course and colonial architecture. Nuwara Eliya's colonial history is evident in its architecture. The Nuwara Eliya Golf Club, founded in the late 19th century, is a great example. Wander through the town to discover charming colonial-era buildings that add a unique character to this hill station. Waterfalls. Nature lovers, rejoice! Nuwara Eliya is home to some stunning waterfalls, including Lover's Leap and Devon Falls. These cascading wonders offer a refreshing escape and a perfect backdrop for your travel memories. Local cuisine. No trip is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Try some traditional Sri Lankan dishes and don't forget to visit a tea factory to learn more about the tea-making process and perhaps pick up some souvenirs. Nuwara Eliya truly captivates with its natural beauty, colonial charm, and warm hospitality. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. If you haven't already, consider adding Nuwara Eliya to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy travels!